All right. Our new starter is in, bolted down, ready to go.
You want me to crank it for you?
No, I would do it. I'm going to fire the car up and I'm going to drive it. I'm going to drive it. Danny, we're going to drive it. I swear. And we're going to see how the brakes are and we will go from there. Oh, man, I'm excited. Everybody's excited. Jimmy's excited.
I'm excited.
Nick's beside himself.
This will be
He's
the
so
first time
excited.
I'll be able to see it running.
That's true. You've only been over here when it's been apart.
Sitting and parked and worked on it.
All right, so I'm going to go fire it up and away we go. We're up and running. Now let's see if I can get more further than. All right, I made it to the end of the driveway, which is better than we got last time with our battery issues. Ooh, shifted nice. Down to the end of the street. Oh, she stops good. Now there's not much pedal throw, but that's normal with a what do we call it? A Corvette Master and a dual diaphragm booster. Yeah, she stops pretty decent. I'll go down the block a few times, and maybe we'll take her down on the big road. All right, we'll drive her down to Daughtry. Here with the traffic, get some actual drive time. Oh my god, she's brakes so nice and pretty damn straight too. I'm kind of stoked about that. Alright, gotta get these new shoes. The brakes are pretty nice. I think I want to bleed them one more time. We'll have to do that once Tom's car's off the lift. But